Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I've already done in the past that didn't exactly work out so well. I'm going to be trying to install a lace front wig. And here we have it. I bought this wig from Hurela hair. I'll tell you exactly what it is. It's the Hurela Body Wave Human Hair Wig Pre-Plucked 4x4 Human Lace Closure Wig. 150% density, natural hair, 14 inches. So 14 inches should be just past my shoulders, but because it's wavy, it might be like right at shoulder length. I plan on straightening it a bit though. 4x4 human lace. Okay, so you're supposed to get, I think, 13 by 4, so it goes all the way around. So that was my mistake. I'm a beginner, okay? Cut me some slack. 150% density, I think that's reasonable. That's pretty good. It should be a thick wig. So basically, the reason why I bought it is because recently I bleached my hair again. I'm an actor, so I have headshots where my hair is just black. All my headshots, my hair is black, but because I dyed it and I have, you know, this whole orange blonde thing going on. You can't really tell right now, but in the videos you can see it. I just thought it would be much easier to just get a black wig so I can submit my self-tapes and do my auditions that way, and then if I ever book something worth dyeing my hair for, I'll dye it back black. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package, do this little unboxing, and see everything that comes with it. The packaging is filthy. It's reusable, so I guess it's been around the block. Very cute little box. This is what it looks like. It just has the name of the website, or I guess the company, on the box. Make every girl afford beautiful hair. Am I reading that right? Make every girl afford beautiful hair. Open it up. So inside the box we have, oh, I got some little acrylic nails for free. That's a cute little Christmas gift. It has the wiggy wig. It comes with this little pouch. And inside of this pouch, let me just open it. This is really cute. It has the stocking cap. It comes with this little headband. I guess that's what you use when you spray your spray or your glue or whatever. You use this to kind of flatten down the wig. I love the cheetah print. Oh, I got a pair of some 3D lashes. That is volume if I ever did see it. And last but not least, I got this. Not exactly sure what it is. Let's open it up and see. No way. It's a makeup brush. Aww. That is so sweet. It's the thought that counts. Alright, so I'm going to put all that back in there. I don't know how to install a wig. Thank goodness it's pre-plucked. I was hoping it would be jet black, but I can dye jet black myself. Apparently you need to bleach the knots so that like those little black dots in the wig come out. Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show it to you. Okay, so if you look really closely at the wig, you can see that there's little black dots. So apparently bleaching the knots means mixing together some hair bleach, which I have a lot of, and putting it on the inside of the wig and leaving it for a few minutes so that these knots turn white, I think. Anyways, this is the wig. We're gonna open her up and I'll let you know how it feels and everything, and just an honest review before actually putting it on my head. Okay, so the color is definitely a natural black. It has little pieces of like red hair in it, so I guess they dyed it. I'll show you. I don't know if the camera will pick up all the pieces of red, but there's quite a bit of it. I can tell that it is pre-plucked indeed. You can look, it has a very natural looking hairline. Now what I didn't realize was that I bought a 4x4 lace What I didn't realize is that I bought a 4x4 lace closure. So this is the only lace on it, which is probably for the best because I have no idea how to even install a wig. But that means it's gonna probably look a little bit more natural. I can't put it in a ponytail or anything. I wasn't planning to, but overall it's pretty good. The hairline is already decided for me. I thought I would be the one creating my own hairline, but apparently not. It's already parted. I guess that's normal for wigs. First impression, it is extremely short. This is 14 inches and it's giving bob. The wave is really beautiful. I'm not really a wavy girl, so I'll definitely straighten it. But it was on sale, so that's why I bought the wavy one. It's very soft. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has these 4 combs, or wait, no, it has 3 combs. One on either side and then one at the back. It also has a little bit of lace at the back, which I guess I will just cut out because what am I gonna do with that? Maybe I'll leave it because future me might discover something that I don't know about. So I will leave the lace where it is. And it has these little stretchy things, kind of like what you would see on a bra, where you can adjust the tightness of it, I guess. Let's just see a little preview. Obviously my hair's in a bun right now, but yeah, it's very short, very, very short. I will add some layers. I don't think I'm gonna really do anything with like the whole bleaching the knots thing because I'm probably gonna accidentally bleach the wig, knowing me. But I really do like how it feels. I'm gonna go and straighten it a bit and I'm gonna cornrow my real hair and I will be right back. Listen, I did the best I could with the skill and the time that I have, okay? So I'm done with my cornrows. I really did try, but it's tiring. And whatever hair I have left over, I just have it at the back here. So we're gonna take out this handy stocking cap. I can already feel this going downhill. Like I can just feel it, you know, when you can just tell it's not gonna work out. But I'm gonna try and stay positive. So we're taking this off. Oh, it comes with 2. That's nice. And basically this is just to keep your hair flat underneath the wig, I think. I've seen people put it over their ear and cut it and all that, but I don't think it's necessary considering this is not even a full lace front wig. It matches my blazer. I'm really trying to make sure I don't miss any steps. So something else I saw online is that you take your makeup brush and you just take a little bit of your foundation and put it on the inside of the wig close to where the hairline starts and ends underneath the lace. So I'm going to be putting it just right there. I'm just using whatever foundation is left over on my brush because, you know, it's already blended a bit. You can see that actually does make a difference. So this helps it to look more natural. You can put that on the hairline too, actually. I don't have glue or anything. I have no intention on gluing this wig. Let's just get the wig on. I don't think I'm gonna use the clips actually. I think that's more of like a security thing. I'm gonna get it centered, figure out where exactly I want it on my face. Okay, I see why people bleach the knots. It makes it look very fake. And this is not really plucked. You can see that it's a very round hairline. It's giving extreme wig. And I have an audition that I need to film after this, so I needed this wig to be ready. I'm gonna pluck this wig a bit. So I'm gonna take some tweezers and just quickly pluck some of the hairline here to make it look a little bit more realistic, and I'll be right back. This is how much hair I've plucked so far. I don't know if it's enough, but I don't want to over pluck, so I'm just gonna quickly check to see how it looks now so I can gauge how much more I need to pluck. I don't even know. I want my money back. Like, I'm not here for this. Even Bonnie had better wigs. I should have just kept the Amazon wig from a few years ago. So I guess that's what the clips are for. So next we're gonna go into our little goodie bag. and take out this little cheetah print thing. What I've seen online is that you need to spray your got-to-be glue, hold it down with this, and after it dries, then I use a razor to raise away the lace, right? Okay, so that's what we're doing. And if you're a professional and you're watching this, I know what you're thinking. But I never claimed to know what I was doing. Okay, I really need this wig to be straight, so I'm gonna go and straighten it while this dries, I guess. And I will be back. Again, this is a lot of work. And I'm back. So I straightened the hair the best I could because it came wavy. It's really difficult to straighten. And I cut a lot of layers into it, like a lot. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. It's so bright I can't even see. So I feel like it does look a little bit better. Actually, a lot better. It looks way better than it did before. So now the moment of truth. Seeing if the got-to-be spray worked to stick down the wig. Oh. Okay, it definitely worked. I'm not going to pull too hard because it's obviously not like cemented down to my head, but it's pretty firm. I could have given myself a little bit less forehead. So now I have this little razor. You can get them at the hair store. Any beauty supply store should have them. I actually use this to do my own eyebrows, but today we're using it for a wig, so getting my money's worth. So I have a mirror here in front of me and I'm just going to raise the lace right off. Okay, I'm really nervous. I don't want to destroy it. Oh, it's lifting. I have some liftage. So this part I was a bit nervous for, but it's a lot easier than it looks online. Like the razor just glides over the lace. There's a little piece that didn't come off, so I'm just gonna use the scissors to cut it off. And then after you do this, you're supposed to spray a little bit more spray, tie it down one more time, and then we'll start cutting baby hairs and making it look a little bit less like a wig. So I have a hair tie. I'm just gonna tie this girl back. I'm gonna spray a little bit more of this. Gosh. And then I'm gonna tie it down again. So while I'm waiting for it to dry for the second time, I'm actually going to go over it one more time, cut a bit more layers, and just get it to be a little bit more straightened because it still has a lot of waves in it. Also, it's a lot puffier than it needs to be because I didn't cornrow my hair properly, as you saw before. But if you have like tight, neat braids underneath your wig cap, it will be a lot flatter and a lot less, you know, the wig bump. Yeah, you won't have that puff underneath. Okay, so it's been about another 10 minutes or so, and I think it should be dry by now. I just did a little bit more straightening, a little bit more curls, and now I'm gonna take this off. All right, so we've taken the headband off. The forehead is foreheading, and I'm just gonna brush out the wig. Yep. It's on there. Oh, I just lifted it a bit. Okay, so now is the part where I have to do baby hairs. I'm not really a baby hair kind of gal. I don't really care for them, but they are necessary in making the wig look a little bit less suspicious. I think the word I was looking for is conspicuous. Conspicuous? Okay, so I'm gonna part the hair down like so. Hey Siri, where are my scissors? I have no idea where I put them, so I'm gonna use the razor instead. Just pulled some hair down. I think that's too long to be baby hairs. I'm just trying to test it out to see how it will look. No, I'm really not here for this. Seriously, I have no clue. Okay, it's not so bad like this. If I'm just using it for my auditions and stuff, then I think this is fine. I'm not going out in public wearing this unless I'm wearing like a toque or baseball cap. I'm definitely more of a weave girl, an extensions girl, a wig girl, not so much. But this is definitely serving its purpose right now. I feel like it's obviously not natural, but on camera, which is what I will be using it for, it looks fine to me. It definitely makes me look older. It's giving mother, it's giving auntie. I think I'm gonna leave it at this. I've showed you guys my attempt at installing this thing. It's definitely still giving Wigisha. It's not the most slaying wig in the world. It's short, but quality-wise, the quality is fantastic. I think it's pretty good considering everything. Do you guys remember back in like 2020 or 2021 when we were in lockdown and everyone started like mass buying wigs because there was that rumor that the world was running out of lace? That is the biggest scam of all time. We were not running out of lace. Anyways, guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video was helpful to somebody out there. Someone out there might actually appreciate this wig. I saw something on TikTok actually that no one knows how to find and marry a billionaire like a black woman with a bad wig. So who knows, maybe this could be like the start of something new. Please remember to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.